Hey girls!
We're the Lip Chicks.
I'm Susan.
And I'm Winter.
And today we are going to show you our quick mom makeup routine.
Super quick. We're busy. We don't got time. We need to get out the door. We got stuff to do.
We got 5 minutes. It's time to go.
Right.
Let's get started right now. All right, let's start with some foundation.
We're gonna go quick, girls.
What's your shade?
I'm doing Dewy, and I love it. It's an awesome color. We have so many different colors, so you can always send us a selfie. We can let you know what color you wear, and I love our foundation. It's amazing.
All right, so I'm wearing cream beige, which is a little bit warmer. And I'm just gonna stipple it in.
Yes, always use a stippling brush. I feel like I get the best coverage when I use the stippling. And
my favorite one is the Real Techniques one. You can get it at Walmart for like, I don't know, $4, $6, something like that.
There we go.
But look at how quick this works, and it does a good job.
I like it. So we're doing super quick today. This is like, you know, we're moms, we're busy. We need to run to the store, but we want to look alive. So we're doing quick makeup. So it kind of reminds me of yesterday. We woke up late, we had church, and I literally was throwing on my makeup. It's like, okay, how can I look still pretty?
Still want to look alive.
Right? But I'm in a hurry.
All right, here's a little trick. So when you're in a hurry and you just want to simplify your routine, just take some pearlizer, because you always have time for pearlizer. And
Can't live that pearl.
put it on. Look at that. Life. Just gave myself life right there. Boom.
Oh, I love it.
I'll be
Awesome.
like, girl, where can I get skin like yours? It's my pearlizer, actually.
I want to look dewy.
I know.
All right, so now I'm going to, I like to do my pearlizer last, so I'm going to go in with some blush. I'm using Terracotta by not Shadow Sense. It's our blush sense, all right? And a little bit goes a long way, so I literally just take my brush and kind of go around it, because I don't need a lot, and it gives me just the right amount of product. So I'm not wasting.
All right, I'm gonna use Toasted Rose, also by SENEGENCE. So I'm just gonna go right over here and go bloop. You just need a little bit. As soon as it comes out, there we go. There we go, bloop.
And it's liquid to powder, and it'll stay all day. So
Nice creamy blush.
yes.
So you started there, just go down. Look at that. And I do use my pearlizer. Sometimes I put it over my blush. I do both ways. I don't know.
All right, for my eyes, I'm gonna do our Shadow Sense, which is a cream to powder. I'm doing one color, okay?
What color are you doing?
I'm doing Mocha Java Shimmer,
Ooh.
which is beautiful. It's like the perfect like nude tan color. I love it. And I should be using a brush, but you know what? This is quick mom style. So I am doing my finger really quick. Just trying to look alive, but I still want to look pretty.
I'm gonna use Pink Opal Shimmer, and I'm gonna do quickie with a brush.
And then I just get it all up in there.
I think I'm gonna be quicker than you when I'm using a brush.
Should have grabbed a brush, but there's one more step.
I don't know, look at that.
I love it. All right, and then I'm just gonna do some mascara. Quick mascara, okay? Waterproof always, okay, by SENEGENCE. All right. No one's got time for smudging or creasing or flakiness.
Nope.
Like, that is just the worst. So, just gotta get this on, look alive. And I love it. So I have very watery eyes, and it never runs, it never smudges. I could cry me a river, it's not gonna go anywhere.
I had to look for my mascara because I'm also a mom, and so my brain is also a upside down. Just saying. So, yeah, no, I like that I can just put this on and then I don't have to worry about having it under my eyes or over my eyes or around my eyes or on my tissues, you know, like, gosh, just put it on.
Yes, I love it so much. I love all our products because I feel like, you know, if I want to take more time, I could really go for, you know, that beautiful glam look. But if I just want to be quick and easy, it totally works. Like I already look alive. So for my last thing that I'm gonna do on my lips, I'm gonna do our lip balm. It's moisturizing. I love it so much. It's kind of amazing.
Yeah,
and
lip balm
there's so many things you can do, but you know what? Honestly, when I'm running out, just want to moisturize. I need something on my lips. Need to moisturize. I love it. Feels like magic on my skin. Like seriously.
Yeah, and
I love it.
if you are like one
Ready
of
to
those
go.
girls who likes the lip balm and the chapstick, throw away those chapsticks.
Yes,
You
no
need to check out
chapstick,
this lip balm.
no wax. Wax is like the devil.
It is the enemy.
Okay. It's not good
Number
for
one
you.
enemy around here.
Yes.
I'm gonna use some bougainvillea glass.
Ooh, I love bougainvillea.
Look at this. Look at what it does, huh?
It's like magic. It gives a tint of color. It's like a pinky red, more pinky, and it just makes it so beautiful. I love it
It's
so much.
moisturizing too.
Yes, vitamin E, shea butter. It's the best.
My lips are just gonna soak it in.
Right? We're ready to go, you know?
Let's go
We got
conquer
that-
the world.
Right? We got that mom meeting. We gotta run to Walmart. Gotta go grocery shopping. We got stuff to do.
We gotta make dinner.
Yeah.
Somebody's gotta feed our kids.
Got stuff to do. We're busy.
Let us know what your favorite tricks are to get ready in the morning.
Bye, ladies.